Yeah, man, big up yourself once again. You don't know, so this is Real Big Boss Entertainment with the latest topic. You know, you don't know the vlogging style and stuff, you know. So today, we just want to really big up all of the hard hustling, hard working people them out there. You understand what I say? You have some people who really get up every day very early in the morning. Some get up from 4 o'clock. Some get up from 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. On the road, you understand? I don't know, 9 to 5. You understand what I say? It's like a more like a close to a 24-hour hustling. You understand? Because even when they leave work, they have to jump on another job to make another dollar, because they have them family to take care of. And they make sure say they work very hard and do it the honest way to make sure say them take care of them family. Big respect and big love and shout out for all the hard hustler them, just like myself. You understand what I say? Because nothing feels sweet than when you go and work and hustle your own money, you know. Nobody can take nothing and throw in your face. Nobody can tell you nothing. Nobody can talk to you and say nothing to you because you know say you earn your money. There are some other people out there where them have them little side piece or them little friends with benefit and give them something. You understand what I say? And at the end of the day, them the same people talk shit to them and treat them like a dog. Me not depend them thing there. Me no want nothing too easy. You understand? Me rather hustle for me thing. Because I want to make sure that my conscience stay clean. And nobody enough to take nothing and show in my face talk about what them do for me. Because it's not a nice feeling. You understand what I say? That's why I just stay and do my thing and hustle very hard. You understand what I say? So big respect to all the hustlers them and the jugglers them out there. You understand? Who are boss the 9 to 7 and 8. I don't know 9 to 5. You understand? Because the hustle where we do no 9 to 5 can't pay bills. No 9 to 5 can't pay bills because that can't do nothing. It only patch a gap, only go this far. You have to have a little extension, side piece, a job, or do something for yourself to make sure say you can make a living in this society. Remember me tell you that. That's how life go. You understand what I say? So big up on yourself. You don't know, say all the hustlers and all the jugglers who go out there, work very hard to make a nice, decent living, can take care of them family. You know? And that me have to say right about now. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so this is Real Big Boss Entertainment with the latest topic, update, news, and reviews. Check out the shorts them over by the short side with the fun jokes and laughter. Bang. Until then.